The applicator don't work. Alright y'all, so this is the Hold Me Down Adhesive Sport. It comes with an applicator that is in a brush form, and the bristles are pretty smooth. I had no issues with it. One thing that I didn't know is that you do have to twist it on, so make sure you do that so you can get your glue out. Because I'm not familiar with the brush tip, I just went ahead and put this on a rat tail comb and applied it the regular way that I typically do. I'm not sure why my ball cap started slipping, but it just did. So this is what we got. This won't be a full install because I have plenty of videos on my channel with full install. So if you want, I would just link one up above. But with this glue, I applied 4 layers. I dried in between, and then I went ahead and placed my wig like I typically do. In order to reuse the applicator, I went ahead and washed it off and then just set it out to dry so that way I don't have any issues the next time I use it. Just make sure you switch it back to off so that way you're not putting water inside the actual tube. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like right now. Just checking in with you guys, letting you guys know. Sorry, people are coming. Just letting you guys know what the hair is looking like. This is day 1. We about to make it to day 7. Y'all, this is day 1. I'm so sad. Like, this already coming up right here. I don't know what to do. I literally don't even work out that. I mean, I was sweating, but I mean, this is okay. But this, I'll have to retouch tonight. This is Wednesday. Yeah, my wig has definitely slid back because this is like my hairline right here. Y'all, yeah. I could feel it, like when I was working out, I could feel it, but yeah, that's why I have this little comb over because yesterday I was about to work and it just looked really gross, but this is Wednesday. Okay, y'all, so we're back again. This time I let it sit in the refrigerator so you can, I don't know if you can see, like, hold on. I don't know if you can see the little perspiration or condensation. Is it condensation? Yeah. I don't know if you can see like the condensation that's coming off of it, but it's been in the refrigerator. I showed you guys that I put it in the refrigerator around like 5:50 and it's 7:39 right now. So it's been in there for more than an hour. So we're gonna try this again, y'all. And I need this to work. And I know it's not gonna work right off the bat. I'm not gonna be sweaty or anything like that because it's super cold outside. Oh, girl. You gotta like turn it on. Like, what am I thinking? Totally forgot about that. But we're going out tonight. Oh, there we go. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know that we're gonna give it one more try because I feel like, you know, the first time that I put it on, I kind of feel like that wasn't fair, especially because it states that, you know, if you're looking for the sport type of part of it, you have to put it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna try this one more time and we'll see what we get. But I'll come back to you guys kind of after I finish like applying because we've already kind of done this part in the beginning of the video. So I'll just go ahead and apply this and I'll see y'all whenever the wig is fully installed. Okay, y'all, the wig is on. We're gonna see how she does. This is what she's looking like right now. We'll see. I'm gonna take y'all through the week. This is workout number 1. It's Monday. Like, guys, y'all. It's so noticeable. It's so noticeable. It's lifting already. I'm mad. I'm mad I gave this another chance. It's Wednesday. I did go work out. This is what we're looking like. She stayed down pretty well. It is like 20 degrees outside and I didn't sweat as much as I usually do like in my workouts. So I don't know if that has something to do with it, but I mean, this is a good sign for a Wednesday. She's definitely staying put. Now this part, I feel like this part is the part that came up the most on Monday, but I mean, a win is a win right here. This is results from 3 workouts this week. I feel like it stayed in place pretty well, especially like right here. This is typically where I get the most pushback, and I mean that literally. I don't feel like it turned a different color. I feel like it stayed pretty well. Okay, y'all, so funny story. Okay, so the last time I picked you guys up, it was Friday, and I was talking about how the sides of my lace actually stayed down throughout my whole workout week, and I was really proud, but the only issue with that is it was 20 degrees outside, and I wasn't really sweating, so I mean, did it really give? I'm not sure. So I was like, you know what? Let me do it again this week, because this week is supposed to be like 60 degrees. So I was like, let me just go ahead and go. So I go to the refrigerator, put my little tube in the refrigerator, and I take it back out. And I'm like, okay, let's start this. The applicator don't work. So I was just sitting there for like 10 minutes trying to poke holes in the applicator so I could work, and it just would not come out. So I felt like I needed to give another representation of whether or not the glue worked, but I guess it wasn't in God's will. So here I am telling you that you should probably just get the regular bottles. The watermelon, I feel like it holds a little bit better than the regular one, but just get the regular glue. I don't know about this active glue. She did just bottle it up, and I think that's because there was some really bad reviews on the website about the applicator. But if you plan on trying it, try it. I'm not against it. All I'm saying is I feel like you'd be better off with the regular bottles. That's it. But I will say the active glue actually worked on my sensitive skin. So if you know, I do have a video about me having sensitive skin and the Ericka J glue affecting my skin. I haven't used it since, but this active one didn't irritate me, so I feel like it's safe. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer, because I mean, look at the comment section, guys. It's not a lot of us, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.